Hey Coffee Coders, the future Python pros. Welcome to Coffee and Coding. If you have never coded before, don't worry. We are starting from absolute scratch. And trust me, Python is as easier than making an instant noodles. So by the end of the video, you're gonna write your first program. Now grab your coffee and sit back. Let's get started. Let's see what is Python. And just remember, nobody will ask you this question and provide you a job. What is Python? Python is a simple, beginner-friendly programming language used by Google, Netflix, and even NASA. So basically, by learning Python, you're halfway to become an astronaut. And no, Python isn't named after the snake. It's named after Monty Python, the comedy group, because coding should be fun. So are you guys ready to have fun? Before that, you need to go to your browser and click on search bar and search for python.org. You can see there. You have download option there, the latest version. Go to it and click on download. You can see there. After that, go to your downloads and double click on it. As I have already installed this in my system, it is showing like this. But for you, it will not show like this. It will show exactly like this. So click on install and click on next. After that, the software will be installed in your system successfully. Once installed, Python comes with a built-in editor called IDLE. No need to download anything extra. So are you guys ready to have real fun? Just search for IDLE Python. It will be like this. Now let's write our first ever Python program. The legendary Hello World program. It's like shaking hands with your computer saying, "Hey buddy, let's code." Just type print, open brackets, open quotes, hello, comma, space, and world, close quotes, and congratulations, you are officially a coder now. It's time to update your LinkedIn account. Easy, right? Just think of Python like a chef. If you give it proper instructions and follow them perfectly, it is going to be yummy. Until and unless you won't make any mistakes in the program. If you think it is easy, it will be more and more easy. And it is your first step into the Python world. And that's it for today. And next we are gonna dive into the topic called variables. Basically how Python remember things. Let's make it more and more interesting and hope you guys like this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment your feedback. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day. Thank you so much.